Hello, in this video I want to show you how to install and join Google Classroom for your POCO C40. So in order to do this, you need to open your Google Play Store. Here find the app called Google Classroom. And download it. Now after installation process is complete, you should be able to open it. Click on Get Started and choose the account you want to use for this classroom. Then on this plus button, join the class, enter the class code which you should be provided with, and after doing so, click on the join. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.